Whoa.
What? 20, I mean.
Oh, that makes it better.
Where is cosine negative 1/2? Cosine negative 1/2 would be right there, which is 2 pi over 3. Now, notice some problems like number 19.
No.
It says arc tan 3/4, right? Guess what?
Do you have an actual mechanical pencil?
You can't do it without a calculator. Because it's not a unit circle value. Okay? Guess what else you can't do it, but you can do some other things with the calculator. I mean, without a calculator. So in other words, I didn't throw out 19. I should have. Let's throw out 19 too.
Yay.
Because right now I don't want you to use calculator values. Okay. I'm going to give you a problem to do, and I need some new space to write.
Does anybody have a mechanical pencil?
Well, I don't.
I'll take that as a no.
Alright, let's see who gets that first. What is sine of arc sine 1/2?
Pi over 3.
Sine of arc sine.
Is it pi over 3? Pi over 3, isn't it? Oh.
Pi over 4, pi over 6.
Pi over 6.
What's sine of pi over 6?
Which is
30 degrees.
What?
Oh.
Let me cover this up. What is arc sine 1/2?
Brad's like,
Pi over
oh.
6.
Shoot. I was like, what?
Now take sine of
30
pi over 6
degrees.
and you get
30 degrees.
1/2.
That's your answer?
Let me clarify. Shh. How are sine and arc sine related? Inverse function. You know what this is saying? You're saying, what is the name of the boy whose name is Rob?
I'm pretty sure it's
What
wrong.
is it? It's Rob.
Rob. In other words, I've undone it. Arc sine and sine are like saying square something and unsquare it, cube something and uncube it, add 2, subtract 2. You've undone it. Arc
So it's just 1/2.
and right, it goes back to where you started. So if you started at 1/2, went to the angle and went back to the value of sine,
It's 1/2.
you're back where you started.
Well, that's pretty much.
Now, let me show you this.
The lucky one who's sick the day that
What's sine of
the
arc
day
sine?
after the
The day his
psychobilly
mind gets
and
blown.
the day after.
What would that be? Without having to work it out. Don't think it through. Can you tell me what that would be?
Negative 1/2.
No.
What's sine of pi over 6?
No, it's the season finale.
Square root of 2 over 2.
Square root of 3 over 2.
Square root of 3 over 2.
Oh, black guy.
Okay, the question is, how did you do it? Did you actually find this
Yes.
If he's Luke, if you have
and
a
then
look
do
at the show,
this?
Yes.
Alright, listen carefully.
like the show's gone.
You can do that. Please listen, I'm trying to explain some problems here. You can do that, but you can also say, what is it asking? It says, at the angle where sine is 1/2, what's the other ordered pair?
Square root of
Because that's what it's asking. It's saying, at the angle where sine is 1/2, what's the other ordered pair? So if I said,
Yes.
arc cosine 1/2, find the sine of it,
Square root of 3.
is square root of 3 over 2, because the angle where cosine is 1/2, the other ordered pair is the square root of 3 over 2. I mean, you can actually find the angle and do it, but you can also do it shorter. What if I said, without working it out, see if you could do this in your brain, find the tangent of arc sine square root of 2 over 2. Who's going to be first to get this one?
Isn't it 1?
It is 1. Thank you, Stephen.
I didn't get a chance to solve it, Steve.
You're not supposed to solve it. You're supposed to think. Where sine is 1/2,
Pi over 4.
what would tangent
No, it's
be?
1.
That's when sine and cosine are the same. No, arc
The
sine,
arc sine of that is pi over 4.
arc sine of square root 2 over 2 is
No,
pi
no,
over
I
4.
was saying I was solving.
It is pi over 4. You're right. But tangent of pi
I
over four
I didn't do
is
the tan part.
one.
Well, see, you think about it. See, arc sine of square root of 2, cosine.
I was doing
It's
the
the
arc
same
sine.
thing, that makes
I
tangent
haven't
one.
done
To
the
me,
tan
that's
part
an
yet.
easier way of doing it.
One Cassie
Now.
calls you dumb?
If I make that negative, it means the other ordered pair is positive, and the tangent's negative one. Okay? Let's just do something like this.
What?
What is arc sine?
You can speak up. No one cares, Cassie.
It means so much to me.
What is cosine of arc sine 0?
1.
Look, that was uncalled for until they call her out like that.
Isn't it 1?
That's the other ordered
No,
pair.
it wasn't. It was perfectly called for.
I do not believe you're correct
Okay.
in that statement.
What
Well,
is
What is the arc sine cosine pattern?
I'll get there in a minute.
Okay.
I'm gonna finish this form first, I'm practicing. Alright,
Is
where
that
arc
one?
sine is 0, the other ordered pair is a 1, right?
Yeah.
And when you put sine over cosine,
That's
you get 0 over 1, so the answer is 0. If I change this to cosine,
Wouldn't it be,
it'd be undefined, because it'd be 1 over 0. You're gonna have to practice looking at this unit circle to get your answers.